So we are given the initial velocity of the beetle. That is the initial velocity. We have been told that it's 0 meters per second and it accelerates at a 12,325 meters per second, and the speed is 60 miles per hour. So it just accelerates from 0 meters per second up to 12,235 meters per second squared. So we want to know what is the time it took for the speed to increase from 0 meters per second to 60 miles per hour. We have been told that our conversion is that 1 mile per hour is equal to 0,4470 meters per second. So for us to convert 60 miles per hour to meters per second, what do? We have been given this conversion that 1 mile per hour is equivalent to that. So we are going to multiply to convert, just multiply. You want meters per second, so obviously 1 has to be at the denominator so that the units they cancel. Then you'll be left with 60 multiplied by 0,4470. So we are going to use the formula, which is Vf is equals to V initial plus A multiplied by change in time, whereby T is equals to final velocity minus initial velocity over the acceleration. So solving this is going to give us a T, and remember we still have to find our, okay, so from there we convert it, we are going to get 12,62 meters per second. That will be our final velocity. So we come and plug it here, but before we plug it there, we can make T subject of the formula by saying T is equals to Vf, then you push Vi this side, becomes negative Vi over A, and then your T will be the final velocity, which is 26 minus 0 over 12,35 meters per second squared. Then the final answer obviously will be 2,17 seconds. Okay, you can confirm this one with the answer which you got in the tutorial question.